Miranda's eyes are so inspiring, I decided immediately to do a smoky eye. To start the eyes, I used the black mineral pencil. I wanted to have the freedom to play and really use the rich pigments from La Belladonna. Because I knew I would blend with the Candlelight highlighter, you don't have to be delicate with the black eye pencil application. I used the silvery taupe in the Bellissima Compact in the inside corner of the eye, which created just a silvery starlight effect. I also used the silver that's a little bit deeper to create like a lush crease effect. The last step is to use the two richest pigments, which is almost an ebony and then a really dark navy that has a lot of shimmer. I used the shimmery navy from the Bellissima Compact and I ran along her lower lashes. I wanted to keep all the attention on the top of the eye, so I coated the top lashes with the black mineral mascara and I left the bottom lashes bare. After her eyes were complete, I used the Coexist gel under the eyes to prep for makeup application and also to wipe away any shadow that may have dropped.